Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to use currency converter on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone calculator. So I'm going to simply click on my calculator right here. So I'm going to click on here. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the currency sign right here. You'll be taken right here. So by default, you have one country at the top and then you have another country at the bottom. Let's, for instance, I want to check on the currency exchange rate of USD to Naira. What we need to do here is to make sure we select USD right here and we type the amount we are looking at. So for instance, I'm looking at 1 USD. So it will give me automatically exchange rate in Naira. And if I'm looking at 1 euro, it gives me exchange rate of 1 euro right here. Or better still, if I want to check on the exchange rate of USD to Naira and other country currency, what I need to do is to simply click on here. Then I can simply look for another African currency. Let's, for instance, I want to know the currency exchange rate of 1 USD into like Ghana cedis. So let's check on Ghana cedis. So right here, we have Ghana cedis right here. Now, here, it simply means that if I have 1 USD, I will have 14.6 Ghana cedis. And if I have 1 USD, I will have 1,553 Naira in Naira currency. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how you can simply use your online currency converter on your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.